how to make someone a moderator on Discord. So if you want to make someone a moderator on Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord, now you just need to simply go with a server, any server that you are comfortable with. And once you're on your server, you need to go with settings. Under your settings, you need to just simply scroll down and you will find an option of roles. So you just need to simply tap on roles, and then you can just simply tap on the plus option, which will be on the bottom or on the top, and you can add a new role. So go with a role name. So I'll go with a moderator. After that, you can just simply scroll down and go with any other settings. You can go with the role color, and after that go with save, go with create. Now you can set up permissions, like you can go with cosmetic, member, moderator, or manager. So I'll just simply go with moderator, go with select and add members. So I'll go with a member and now tap on finish, and that's it, the role has been added. So that's how you can make someone a moderator on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.